Hey everyone, in this lesson we are going to talk about HTML articles. Now, the HTML article element is used when writing blog posts or just news articles. It is a container element, much like the section element which we studied in our previous lecture. The name of the element is article, and within the article you can provide a title. So I'm going to say tech trends, and you need to provide some sort of paragraph to just accompany that title, provide more information about that title. This is an article. Now, when it comes to CSS, styling these articles, these sections or headers, you can style all of them the same, or you can style them differently. So as far as CSS is concerned, CSS does not care what the name of your container element is. It is just an HTML thing. So you need to keep that in mind. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.